So the last time I showed you how to repair this wire by cutting it and putting the time caps on the stubs. This time I have a piece here that's rusted. It's a little shorter, and I'm not going to cut this wire off right here. I'm going to grind all the rust off with my Dremel or a file, and then I'm going to repair it another way here. But I'm going to grind it first, so here we go. All right, now that I've ground off the rust with my filer and Dremel, I'm going to take the file and I'm going to clean up the vinyl coating that was on the rack just to smooth it out so that, okay, so we've got that done. What most people would do is just take the Uber Goop and coat this and leave it. Well, that's not what I'm going to do. I want to make it stronger than that. So I'm going to take a couple of time caps and I'm going to snip the tops of them off so they're open like this. Then I have to take them and I'm going to split them lengthways with a pair of scissors like this. Boom. I'll take two of them, cut them. Just takes a few seconds. So what I'm going to do, of course, is I'm going to spread the Uber Goop on here, and then I'm going to wrap this around it, two of them, and they'll come out to about here, and we'll be done. I'm going to coat my wire all the way around with Uber Goop. And I'm going to cover up all the area where the rust was. I'm going to let that dry for about 15 minutes. Just let it go. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes since I put this preliminary coat of Uber Goop on. And I'm just going to go ahead and put on a generous portion right in the middle and try to wrap it around. Make it wet all the way around. Now, here's what I'm going to do. And this will be my final fix. I've already cut these tying caps. I just have to open it up. And I'm going to wrap it around. And just like that. Okay, I'll take two of them. And do it. Okay, now, this slit that I've made in these time caps is on the bottom of the rack so that when the water runs in the dishwasher, it drains away from the opening. But what I'm also going to do, real quick, I'm going to take some Uber Goop and I'm going to put it right in the middle. I want that to be coated and covered and get no water in there. And I'm just wiping off a little bit of excess here. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over and here's what that looks like from this side. All right, if you look at it, if you don't know it's there, you would never even notice it was there.